Today we are going to have a Milwaukee M18 Fuel versus Greenworks Commercial 82 CS34. I believe the M18 Fuel is a 16-inch bar. The Greenworks comes with a 20 or it'll take 18. I have the 18 on it. But we're going to cut up some, I don't know, this looks like about a 10-inch oak log, and see how these two stack up against each other. The Milwaukee has a brand new chain on it. The Greenworks, it's not brand new, but it's only cut good wood, so it should be a pretty fair comparison. Okay, so you'll see a couple of different tests. One test is where I just let each of the saws do the work and let them cut through, and then I did another test where I push each saw beyond the capacity of the battery to where it shuts off, and then I got to start it again. So there's two sets of cuts that you'll see, and that's what each of them is. Okay, time to cut some wood. I think that was a pretty clear difference. Okay, we'll do one more test cut with each saw. Okay, a couple of key thoughts and the differences between these two chainsaws in using them. One is the weight. With the battery, that Milwaukee saw is 14 pounds 10 ounces, and with the battery, this Greenworks saw is 19 pounds 5 ounces, and you feel that difference when you're using them. If you're looking to do something lighter work, the Milwaukee does the job. I cut up some smaller pieces, not 10-inch pieces of wood, but like 6-inch pieces of wood, and the Milwaukee goes through them just fine. You don't really see the big difference in the saws until you start getting up into bigger pieces of wood, and that's where the torque difference really comes through, and you can see it in the video. The Milwaukee sounds slower, and like it's laboring, even though it has the thinner chain. So that's really the biggest difference I noticed. I guess I would say for more light or residential use, you'd probably pick the Milwaukee, especially if you already have M18. But if you're looking to rip through a pile of logs that you're going to make for firewood, this one's your bird.